Holmarc's larger version spin coating unit, model HOTH05LS, is a high-performance system designed for precise spin coating of substrates. The unit features a maintenance-free DC servo motor, offering precise control over spin speed and acceleration. Users can easily program spin parameters such as speed, duration, and acceleration through an intuitive 20x4 LCD display. Additionally, the unit supports 9 preset, editable programs, each with 9 programmable steps. It is equipped with a variety of sample chucks to accommodate different substrate sizes, ranging from a minimum sample diameter of 15 mm to a maximum of 150 mm. The spin chamber is constructed in nylon with an internal diameter of 245 mm, ensuring durability and reliable performance. Designed with a vacuum chuck powered by an oil-less vacuum pump, the system ensures secure substrate holding during the spin process. Safety features include a transparent safety lid, solvent drainage, an inlet and outlet for inert gas purging, and vacuum release facilities, ensuring a clean and secure working environment. Ideal for industries such as organic electronics, nanotechnology, and semiconductor manufacturing, the system is perfect for applications like microfabrication and photolithography, where precise thin film deposition is crucial. Holmarc's larger version spin coating unit, model HOTH05LS. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.